It's fixing things day. Since the very morning today, I was fighting with sprinklers. I'm struggling with them for the whole season, but I made it work. Hopefully it will last for a bit longer than the last time. And I don't really know why didn't I record it for you. This is just a boring thing to do, and yet it took me 3 hours. But I may have something more interesting. As I mentioned in the previous video, I don't know which one, this one broke. One of those wheels doesn't go back. So it's fine when it's vacuuming, going straight, but it's not really fine when it does mopping, back and forth. So yeah, I need that reverse. So I've contacted the service and they shocked me with the price, which was around €100, and I paid 120 for this one. I'm not going to do that. I've ordered the wheels, obviously from China. This is a Chinese Xiaomi. Is that how we pronounce it? XAI-OMI. I'm just calling it Xiaomi. I'm not having any Chinese language experts around. So I've ordered those wheels and hopefully I can fix it by myself. I've paid $20, €20 for those wheels. It can't be that hard. I also found this one. That's JBL Charge 3, as it says on it. The battery died in this one. I'm just charging it fully and it turns off after like 10 minutes. So in my opinion, it's a battery. The service wanted around €50 for this one to just change the battery. And I paid around 10 for the battery itself. So just to let you know, I'm not trying to save the planet. I'm just trying to save some money. I'm not a rich, famous influencer yet. So I'd rather spend that saved money on something else. And if at the same time I can do something good for the environment, I will. I hate doing all those, tiny components. I'm not patient enough. I'm just getting nervous and, angry. With the camera in front of me, that will for sure work. So let's just go for it. Behold my working place. Got those new wheels, got some tools, screwdrivers and stuff, and a vacuum cleaner itself. This one's, let me read that for you. Me Robot Vacuum Mop. P stands for professional, I hope so. It can't be that hard. Let's just go for it. I'll do a time lapse, and if I'll struggle, I'll just scroll to the camera and record the regular way. Let's have a look what's inside. So I was hoping there's gonna be like one set of cables, one, maybe two tops set of cables to be connected. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connectors. I'm on 5. I'm not really happy with it, but I guess since I started, I have to finish it somehow. So that's the new wheel. It looks the same. We shall see in a second. So that's left. That's also left. Let's do a time lapse. Surprisingly, I have no screws left, no parts left. Weird, it's nothing like me, to be honest. It took me an hour. No, it's actually 45 minutes. Let's run some tests. It works perfect. Oh my god, I'm a beast. I'm a magician. To say that I'm a genius is like to say nothing. I'm just crazy good at things. Oh my god. I think I was born with it. Time to trade the battery in this Bluetooth speaker so I can play music in public places. Alright, this one wasn't even funny. It was kind of dangerous, I see. The battery is fully swollen. Like, I don't know if you can see it. What kind of perspective shall I make for you so you can see it? But look at the size of the old battery and the new one. It's like 50% bigger. So 2 of those screw spots are broken already. 3 actually. 1, 2, and 3. And there are 3, 4 left. I won't be fixing it in any way. I'll just leave it as it is. 4 screws should do. It's not going to be waterproof anymore. What can you do? Just need to find out how to get to the beginning of a cable, to the connector itself. But I'm smart, I'll do it anyways. Time to screw it all back together. Let's just clean it a bit. When I was renovating this house, I was playing music with this one. Alright, this will do. Any screws left? Yes, 4. What shall I do with those screws? I don't know. I don't remember, sadly. It has to click in here. Yes. I got scared. Jesus. But at least it works. What shall I do with those? Unfortunately, I'm being left with 2 screws. Something doesn't fit. Oh, it fits now. I'm a genius. They will love me in trams, buses, trains. Yes, they will love it. Alright, once again. A genius. In 1.5 hours, I was able to save like over 200 euro. This one could have killed me. This one's swollen. That's the old battery. But yeah, for real now, I do recommend fixing whatever you can. Plenty of tutorials. A Fixit website. Is it Fixit or Fixly? Fixit probably. With all detailed information about how to do things, how to fix things. Most of it is really easy. Saves money. But yeah, seriousness aside, since I saved that 200 euro, I'm gonna spend it on and maybe something stupid. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, visit my Patreon's GoFundMe, and see you next Sunday.